Hi guys, thank you for joining our broadcast tonight. We will be talking about diabetes. Type 2 diabetes, to be specific, our goal is to educate people specifically on Pacific Islanders that diabetes can be beat, beat by simply making some lifestyle changes. I want to reach out to the Pacific Islanders. Being a Pacific Islander myself, I see that we become used to seeing our loved ones through the symptom of diabetes. Some of us can recognize the symptoms too easily because it has become common to see loved ones experience these symptoms like blurred vision, constant drinking water, that kind of thirst that can seems to be sequenced. Some of us see our loved one always feeling tired and always using restroom, or for some of us, we ourselves can be experiencing this some of these symptoms too. Though it is common, we should limit ourselves and settle things that it runs in our blood. Though it is common to see loved ones experience these symptoms, don't mean it ends there. We can make changes in our lives that would lead us to the grave fast like some of our loved ones. Simply change our diet, include exercise in our daily schedule, can improve